Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a few things you could start doing to bring in more customers to your business. Now recently you guys spoke with my partner Nate in regards to an SEO audit and just providing some insight and a free game plan of things that you guys could start doing yourselves to bring in more business through digital marketing strategies. So I'm just going to go through a quick SEO or search engine optimization audit of your site and just show you a few tips, tricks, and tools you could start using to help grow your business. So without further ado, let me just dive right into it. So the first thing I will say is I really like the aesthetic of your site. It's a well-built WordPress site. I like it. However, when we're discussing simply SEO or search engine optimization, aesthetics doesn't play that big of a role, so I'm not really going to go into that. But we do offer web design if that is something that you would like to improve upon. That being said, let's dive into it. Like I said, one thing we look at is actually going to be content. So you want to have a minimum of about 1,500 words of content on a home page. Now a tool I use called SEO Quick, which you can get for free, it's a Google Chrome plugin, shows me everything about your site on the front, face value. Now I can see that you have 669 words on your website's homepage. So just simply adding about 1,000 more words is just one quick and easy way you can help improve your ranking in Google. Now, of course, it won't bring you to the front page, but it shows Google and the algorithms that Google utilizes for its ranking that you have a serious website and have business and information that you can provide to people utilizing their tool. But the second thing with content is that you're able to provide more keywords and be found for more. So a keyword is anything that's typed into this Google search bar. So this whole sentence, or it's not really a sentence, but form of words, so limo service Napa Valley is one keyword. So I went to one of your competitors right here, just this Napa shuttle and limousines, and we can see that their website aesthetically, in my opinion, is not even as nice as yours. However, they're number 2 in just competitors and number 4 overall on Google, because 2 and 3 are just Yelp, and number 1 is another competitor, Napa Valley Limousine Services. But I just wanted to go with the random one, just kind of show you what they're doing. So going to them, let's see how many keywords they're being found for. So another tool I use called Ahrefs, which you can get, it's $250 a month, shows you more about the SEO. But we can see that they're being found for 668 keywords. So if we look more in depth, we can see that the keywords they're being found for are party bus Napa, Napa party bus, Napa shuttle, so on and so forth. But real quick, to draw your attention to two things: the volume. So 400 searches a month, 400 a month, 200, 90, 150, 100, and these are all current. Some 2 days ago, some a little later, but still it's roughly in the same area for these exact keyword searches a month. And then the position, they're in number 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, so on and so forth. Now the reason I bring that up is the click rate released by Google shows that over 80% of people won't scroll past the first page of Google. So if you're not in those top 10, but really the top 5, you're missing out on a ton of traffic. And it's all really a numbers game when it comes down to business and digital marketing. The more traffic you have, the more chance you have at getting more clients and customers. So let's look at your website. Looking here, we can see you have 285 words. That's pretty good. But I said that you need to be at the top of Google. So how do you get there? Well, that's going to be your off-site SEO or search engine optimization. Specifically, today, we're just going to talk about backlinks. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. And when that happens, there's a transfer of power. So if site A points to site B gets some of site A's power. So you need to make sure not only you have more backlinks, but that they're coming from good quality websites and relevant sources to what you're offering. So in this case, limousine services, things like that. Now we see your competitors, and then we see yours, 62 backlinks. These backlinks basically derive your DR, or domain rating. The higher your domain rating, the higher you are in Google. It's really that simple. It's a giant popularity contest that you need to be winning in order to beat out your competitor. Sorry, forgot what word I was going to say there. So in closing, you really just need to make sure that you're focusing on these 3 things: content, keywords, and your offsite SEO. And in closing, we can see where it pays off. They're driving 437 clicks a month, and you're driving 206. They're doubling yours. So if you only drew in 10% of what they're getting and closed that deal, that's still 43 more customers a month. Now, if you like what you've heard and you want to hear more about how I can get you to the top of Google and keep you there, then go ahead and give me a call. Or you can simply take this plan I gave you today and implement it your own, and that's totally cool with me too. Once again, my name's Craig, and you can reach me at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.